believe that was, I couldn't quite tell if it was over or under, Mike, but the windage was perfect.
Right. I'm going to assume it was between the legs.
That's what I would gather.
I'm going to assume it was between the legs.
Nice shot. There you go.
Nice shot. Still standing. Oh, wow.
And that didn't go. Those are full-footed Rams right there, baby. Heart shot. Didn't go.
Seems as though all of my shots have been to the right.
Okay. Where are we? 1, 2, 3, number 4.
Okay, that one was perfect windage and a little bit low. You knocked the feet out from under him, so that's why he carried. On the full feet, that's probably a better shot. Nice shot, Mike. It's a beautiful shot. Any other day it would go.
Cool. Wow, that one jumped up to 1980.
So here you can see all of them except for the one you took. That's the one you missed.
Yeah.
I'm surprised that one didn't go. It seems like that one would have went.
Huh?
That one's a little lower.
Cease fire. Make your gun safe.
Good.
Shooter,
That's a nice
Curtis.
shot right there.
Your position.
Just on a full footage, you don't have enough snort.
Yeah, these are just 150 grain bullets, so.
At the command.
What was your velocity?
30-second preparation.
I'm running about 1941 average.
Whew. There ain't anything in my toolbox that's going to knock them down then. I could shoot the 730. That would take them. But all of my 30 caliber stuff is down around 1800. So with a 150. So I'm going to be in the same boat as you.
These are pretty anemic. I was looking to bump these up a little bit, but maybe I won't. All
Yeah.
right. You
Those would
ready?
go if they weren't full footed.
Fire.
There's a fire.
Okay, perfect windage, about 2 inches down from the top of the back. Same spot. Nice shot, Mike. Any little high? See that? Just a tiny bit high.
Yeah, I can't see it with these glasses anyway.
Okay.
Thanks.
About 2 inches down from the ridge of the back,
At least
a little
not
bit to
that
the left.
quick.
Good
Yep,
shot.
I can see it in the scope once I get down here.
Okay. Okay, that was
Should have been a little lower.
yeah, that's the elevation is just a smidgen low, but you came to the right. You're about I don't know, 4 inches to the right.
Yep, I can see it once I get it back down here.
Heart shot. Oh, look at that. the impact on the one you hit knocked down the previous one.
Oh, I was going to say, that was the wrong animal.
No, you shot the correct one. It's just that it knocked the other one off the rail. We got video evidence of it. You hit the right one. So last ram right now. Okay, that is centered windage, but down low, just above the belly. I'm surprised that didn't take his feet out.
Centered windage down low, eh?
Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, that was pretty cool because when you hit number 4, it knocked number 3 off.
I was going to say, oh shit, I shot the wrong one.
Nope, you did not shoot the wrong one. So I call them all hits except for number 1 on the first bank. You hit everything else.
Cease fire. Make your gun
Yeah,
safe.
so I missed number 1.
Yep.
So I got a
Shooters,
38.
move to your next position.
Nothing wrong with that. Those are all good hits, Mikey.
Hey, thank you.
Target setters out.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Get that guy out of here.
Say, those full-footed sons of guns are tough to... That was pretty cool when you hit number 4 and number 3 went down.